Hello friends, welcome to Kids Book Buddy. My name is Arya. Today we're going to read a Elephant and Piggie book named Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Achoo! Do you sneeze? Yeah, everybody sneezes. And let's start reading. Achoo! Yeah, let's start. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Choo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news. Tornado. I have a cold. Good for you. Now he has a sick. Look for that pigeon. He's hiding. The end.